Hi everyone, welcome to the Maldives. Today I'm at Cinnamon Dhonveli, about to take you on a tour inside this water bungalow behind me. This one's right at the end of the jetty, so it's got amazing views out here to the Indian Ocean. So now we'll take you inside for a closer look. As you come down the boardwalk, we enter the front door. To the left is the wardrobe, bathroom beyond, and then as we come through here, this is the main bedroom. So there's a lovely seat here, a sofa and chair looking out to the view. As we wrap around, you'll see the double bed is in the middle here. Nice wooden bed, some cool wooden designs and things on the walls there. It's very colourful as well. So as I wrap around the bed, this bed has perfect views out to that window as well. You'll see over here is a desk area with a coffee making facility. The fridge is beyond in the minibar. And here is a Bose sound system for all your music. So we'll walk on out here, past the TV, to take in this view on the decking. So here we are, this is the sun deck, very private this one. Looks straight out, like I said before, to the Indian Ocean over there. The resort's known for surfing, it's got great surf, very popular with surfers because of these waves that roll in down there where all the surfing happens. For swimming, you've got access down here into the lagoon. Just a few steps down there and you can go swim and enjoy the blue, cool waters. And as we look back this way, you'll see there is a sofa, like a day bed there, and two sun loungers, which also face directly out there to the ocean. So now we'll take you around and into the bathroom. So the bathroom has a big feature bath jacuzzi here right in the middle. Various different shoots of water can come out of there. As we peel round, we've got a towel rail here and the basin area with toiletries and everything supplied as you'd expect. Behind you there's a nice window looking out to that view, and that's the front door there. Here I'm in the shower. It's a nice big shower head, also a hand shower there, and this is open all the way up to the roof. We have a WC here, and then as I open the door, we're back here. The entrance is there, the bedroom is there, and to the right we have wardrobes with some bathrobes, ironing board, life jackets, safe deposit box, and the mini bar fridge is in here. So now we'll just finish out on the front. As I stand here, you'll see that beyond are the water suites, which is a different room category here at Dhonveli. So also the beach peels around there. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour there. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you with some information. And thank you for watching.